We all love to eat food with the right mix of oil, salt, and sugar to ensure good health. But do you know utensils in which we cook food are as much important to our health as the food ingredients? The common utensils in which we cook our food every day have long-term impact on our health and can lead to life-threatening diseases. So if cooking healthy food for your loved ones is on your priority list, do watch this video till the end, as we will talk about the worst to best cookwares for daily cooking. Hello guys and welcome to Target 100 Years. Number 1 on the list is non-stick cookware. Starting from cookware having maximum adverse impact to our body is the non-stick cookware. More than 80% of urban homes have adopted this utensil because of the convenience it offers. However, non-stick cookware when used at high temperatures can release fumes which are toxic in nature due to para-tetrafluoroethylene, also commonly known as PTFE. This chemical gives the pan its non-stick nature. A study published by NCBI proves that when non-stick pans are heated, they release a number of gases like mercury, cadmium, and especially PTFE. These gases not only affect our lungs but also our brain. To save costs, some brands use cheap alternatives like PFOA, Genex, and other chemicals that are proven to be severely toxic in nature and have been linked to severe types of cancer. While the non-stick cookware offers the advantage of cooking food with lesser oil and are easier to wash, clean, and dry, however, the long-term harms are much more severe compared to the short-term benefits. Number 2. Aluminium cookware. After non-stick pan, aluminium cookware ranks second on the list of utensils impacting our health. Aluminium is the most abundant metal found in earth. It's cheap, lightweight, good conductor of heat, and cookware made out of them looks appealing. Whether it is in villages or in urban areas, today it has become a common utensil used in the Indian kitchens. Unfortunately, long-term usage of aluminium leads to its leaching in the food at high temperatures. In fact, you can check this at your home. Just check for the aluminium cookwares that you might have bought few years back and see the difference in its weight. Compare it with the weight when you had actually bought it or the rating that it would have on its sticker. You will notice a drop in the weight of the vessel. Some doctors suggest that the surge in the thyroid cases over last decade might be linked to the usage of aluminium utensils. Acute aluminium poisoning is also linked to colic pain, anorexia, nausea, skin problems, and gastrointestinal irritation. Number 3 on the list is stainless steel and ceramic cookware. Stainless steel cookware has been used in our kitchens for decades. Stainless steel is an alloy of silicon, nickel, carbon, nitrogen, and manganese, where each metal plays a vital role. The longer the cooking duration at high temperature, the more metal leaches into the food. And for the ceramic cookware, which is a hardened clay version of a utensil, it was made as an alternative to the non-stick cookware. Ceramic cookware is toxic free. They have a non-stick coating made from thermolon, which is derived from natural minerals. This coating has no lead, cadmium, and does not go through the manufacturing process that uses PFOA. But the problem with ceramic cookware is it's difficult to find genuine product, as market is filled with fakes, which is just a ceramic coating over aluminium utensil. Number 4 on the list is cast iron, brass, bronze, and glass cookware. These are considered to be safer options with low impact of material leaching into your food. Let's start with cast iron cookware. They have been a part of our kitchens for a long time. Cast iron utensils are versatile in nature and they can be used to bake in an oven for shallow frying on a gas stove and also to cook food on wood-fired chulhas. They are free of chemicals and come with their own non-stick property. If you eat food that was cooked in a cast iron utensil, it will increase your daily iron intake, thus covering your daily iron needs by food itself. The downside of the product is that they are heavy, high on maintenance, and also prone to rust. And if you are cooking your food in a rusted utensil, you are inviting toxins inside your body. So if you are ready to take care of cast iron utensil, we recommend you go for it. Next is the brass utensil, or most of us generally call it the copper utensil, which is another good option for cooking. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, in which 70% is copper and 30% is zinc, but it can vary slightly from product to product. According to old traditions, water is to be stored in copper vessel overnight and drank first thing in the morning. This benefits the body by maintaining body's pH balance and has potential to kill harmful microbes, fungi and bacteria. The art of casting alloy on the metal has been taken from Supashastra, which is an ancient book on art and science of cooking. The food cooked in them retains almost 93% of nutrients. If you decide to use brass utensils for your daily cooking, you will feel the benefits in just 6 months of using it. The only downside to it is that it needs a little more care while cleaning. Next is bronze or Kansa utensil, which is an alloy that contains almost 88% copper and the other 12% consists of tin along with aluminium, manganese, nickel or zinc. It is similar to brass utensil and also needs to go through the process of kalai in order to use them for cooking. It is one of the best metal utensils option in this category and retains almost 97% of nutrients of the food. Next is glass cookware. If you're interested ideally for microwave cooking, so glass cookware is for you. Some key benefits of glass cookware are that they are well suited for oven-based cooking. It doesn't react to acidic food. You can store your food safely and more importantly, there are no adverse effects on human health. However, there are some drawbacks to it. Since glass is a bad conductor of heat, it is not ideal for a stove-top cooking, as they can easily crack due to a hotspot created at the bottom. It means until or unless you have a microwave oven at your home, you will not be able to use this utensil fully. Glass cookware is also useless when it comes to deep frying, as the food requires constant stirring and long-term cooking. Glass cookware is easy to clean with proper maintenance, and you can take care easily to get 7 to 10 years out of them. Number 5 on the list is clay cookware. The clay cookware is by far the best option available in the market. Our ancestors have been using earthen cookware for generations on a daily basis. The porosity of the clay in earthen pots dissipates heat evenly throughout the pot, which lets the food cook properly, and also the best part about them is they can retain almost 100% of nutrient. Clay cookware is made from earth and contains more than 18 essential minerals like magnesium, iron, phosphorus, sulfur and manganese. Its composition is exactly what is needed for the human body. Firstly, since clay is porous in nature, it can allow both moisture and heat to circulate evenly. Because of this, earthen pots are able to do a delicate cooking, making curries, gravy and sauté vegetable or meat. Since the moisture content is retained in the food is juicier, tender and fresher. Secondly, clay as a material is alkaline in nature. It is able to neutralize the acidity and maintain pH balance by interacting with acids in the food. Clay reacts with acidic food like tomatoes by taking some natural sweetness and adding a fantastic taste to the food. Thirdly, clay pots are able to cook food in low oil. Since earthen pots have their own non-stick properties, this results in less usage of oil while cooking, which can be proven not only pocket friendly but also reduce bad cholesterol in your food. And finally, earthen pots can retain heat for a longer period of time. It is a bad conductor of heat, but the amount of heat that it conducts is just about right to cook food without ever overheating or cooking at high pressure. So hot food can remain hot for longer period of time. If you liked our video, please press the like button and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel Target 100 Years and stay with us in this journey. Click on the bell icon to never miss an update. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also tell us what are the topics you want to see the next. Stay tuned for our next video. Till then, goodbye.